We want Ramatu. We want Ramatu. My people, another one don dey shele again. Oh, this Ghana Parliament. In fact, they be. I don't even know wetin to call them, but they be one season of something. For now, we no know. The president of Ghana every year he dey give a State of Nations address. So this one now after the State of Nations address come shele. So the Parliament speaker come outside. They acknowledge all those people where they present. All those big people, you understand? He can't call all of them, you understand? Based on appreciation, also that the world go see say they did there. Omo, as he started mention name, and so this man just call our lovely, in fact, may una give me names for this man. Our Vice President Bawumia, as he call Samira, my people, can't see. In fact, everywhere lose. Everybody just started shouting. We want Ramatu. We no be small thing o. Abeg, for now we no know wetin dey shele right now for Ghana. Join me, make we watch the video.
Honorable members, permit me to recognize the presence of the following dignitaries in the House. His Excellency Alhaji Dr. Mahmudu Bawumia, the Vice President of the Republic, is here with us for this special event. His Lordship Justice Enim Yebua, Her Excellency Hajia Mrs. Samira Ramadan Bawumia, the spouse of the Vice President. The last but not the least,
Not today. For yeah. No, it's what you know. For now, we don't know who be Ramatu. Now you know see that Vice President. He get wife. In fact, make her talk on wives. The first one, I be the Ramatu where they shout to say the word Ramatu. Samira na the which English I won't use? Sentimental sengemenge. This one are the latest, na the youngest, na the overripe popo. That one na the Vice President they carry as handbag everywhere they go, empty, understand? Now, everybody don't they decline amo. They say they don't want Samira, they don't want Samira, they want what? My people, serious things they happen for Ghana Parliament too. But una notice say no be only wetin they call her, no be only Samira. They shout, they bully, they do this one. Even wait, make una relax, una blood to the hot. Una hear when they mention wetin be name Chief Justice Yebua, when they call his name, hey, everybody start to shout. Oh, they said they no want. For now, we don't know who be this man. Now that one rule against Mahama petition during that last election. Now nobody even want that one. Everywhere just scatter. Everybody they stand up say they don't want. They don't. No be smart, you know, my people. Ghana. Auntie Sammy, Alpha. I bet see my people. This. Sorry, make her with due respect, ma. This woman, she don't too day for that place now. Spotlight. Now only she dey under that spotlight. For how many? Wetin happen? You know, go give our big mama a small chance. At least make she shine too. Only you just carry the whole place. Anywhere you go, this one go enter. Anywhere you see Vice President Samira don dey there. Abeg, Mr. Vice President, wetin happen to our mama? Now my question be this, because I know one start dey think other things. I know one start dey think. Hey, your first wife. Hey, Chineke. My people, I don't they think two things. Oh. Maybe this man, they bring what did they call her? Because I even notice say Samira nowadays, like she no be this outdoor person like that. I notice her. Maybe this guy, this man now, vice president, don't they fear. Say make I not talk some kind things, but I go down. You understand? Say for this parliament matter, all those members, their eyes too they chook for person woman. Maybe the vice president don't notice am. You no want bring in apple of his eye outside so that they no go devour am because that place. Matters wey don dey happen everywhere. This one they chop that one they chop, this one they chop. So if they even they chop, they know they clean out. We they see the kind things where they chop from that man. No, now why this man now? They gree mate. But to get fine woman good oh, Chineke me. Abeg Mr. Baumia, biko me I say I dey respect your matter well sir. Abeg me I need answers. Wetin happen to Mama Ramatu because we need am. You even see as they shout say we want Ramatu. Me sef I follow shout oh. I want Ramatu. So biko give me answers. Why you know they bring her out again? She don old abi wetin? Me we no be put to shame. My people. Now the serious way they shelling out for Ghana. Ghana for Ghana. Make I try speak tree small. Abeg, anything wey you guys talk concerning it, I know so many of una now go come attack me. Hey, abeg, na joke, I dey joke. Drop off in that comment section and make sure say you share this video, very very important, so that Mr. Baumia go fit answer us because I know say as me, una also want know wetin happen to Mama Rama. You understand? So share this video and make sure say you subscribe if you never subscribe. If not, you no go dey notified with everything wey we get here for you. Stay tuned for our next story. Hey, Onganu, see, na punching level now we dey enter. See, no be all those rikaba shaka. We know they do that one again. Now, if you want deal with devil now by punching, my people, hey, devil don't suffer. In fact, devil don't receive, not be small punching. No. If you not see the kind bloody punching where devil don't sustain now. I dey sure say devil don't they bleed anyway where it dey. See where they punch. Prayer warriors. Una need see where this women they scatter. Abeg make I no even waste our time because join me make we watch the prayer warriors. Hey, Eliao! Sing Badura. Abeg, I wish I even get devil picture self. Because no, I need ask am. Abeg, devil, wetin these people do you? Wetin they do? Because this one, no be ordinary prayer. I dey sure say the kind prayer for them to even start a punch. My people, Satan nana, you no go recover from this one. This one, Satan no fit recover. You no fit come out alive from this one. Una see that woman wey wear white, that one wey be. When I first see her, I been listening to Tenio, the musician. I listen to Teni because I couldn't wonder say she don't leave music now. Couldn't enter this one. That woman, the color of him problems, it be like rainbow. It plenty because the way she dey take the punching seriously. It be like saying that this woman born Mike Tyson. Now your mama be that. She do no the skills they in body. She sabian. Chineke. Wait, but I don't know say people they pray like this. So now all this while I never pray. If I don't say this thing they work, I for no wonder my village people sometimes they could just they touch some cables like that. From today, I go start it. My prayer now with punching. So if you know say they watch me now, you don't they wonder why your prayers no the answer. Don't bring a corner aside, you understand? Before I go to say, man, you don't buy Range Rover, you don't tell us the secret. Now the secret be this. If you they pray, start they punch the Undertaker and John Cena because una don't get customer for here. Serious customer. Africans. No be only Africans sef. My people see. Now why good to make money? It's good to make money because una don't see where rich people they pray. No, rich people, no be those ones wey get small coins. No be those ones. Rich people wey if you see them, you even dey perceive the money from their perfumes. Check where they pray. They know they straight. Money good. They fit just dey like this. Amen. And they don't finish. Come see us. See where poor person they pray. You go not say this one. You don't enter. He go they pray. No, not just watch out. I know they call them poor. I just they give an example. If you see where person will not get money, they pray. If they use all the anger, all the aggression, all the if they pour them out in once. This one's not normal day. They not go do exercise. See how they just they fire. They fire. Now when I go lose weight by fire by force. I swear the thing I don't even feel stop they laugh. That mama will they see. That woman must be a Malian. She must be a Malian because imagine for this her age. Now she get the strength to the punch like this. Prayer good though, my people. But I make una no go do the one way after una pray finish. We go start the rush and go hospital. You understand? It is very important. No, it's good. But no overdo. No overdo because I know say see some places I bet some places they too exaggerate. They too carry the thing. I'll go one church. I don't go mention the name. If you not see the kind, I don't just understand. My friend don't invite me to go to this church since. I can't say, oh yeah, now make a quick rest, make all of us go. May I not say I don't rest. My people, as we they go, now so we stop for one place. She say, hey, wait, driver, wait. I say, wait for waiting now. We know they go, we don't late. She say, wait, though, she need buy broom. She need buy padlock. I say, my sister, where will they go? You should say na church. He say, yes, so na church. I no buy you. Wait, concern me. Now so I just go. When we enter, hey, come see fire. People they sweep. They sweep as they pray. They say they sweep all the bad things we don't come their life. After the broom on, they carry padlock. Say that they padlock all their enemy. In fact, I just hey. My people, I beg. Now why they tell us say it gets some things we not really they necessary. It good for them, may they continue their belief. But I beg, if you know say you know they used to this thing, no do one. If they're very important, because before you go carry things like this, you need revelation. No go just they do because other people they do. Very, very important. Hey, plenty secrets just they come out. And after they see these women like this, I no go they shock, say they feel even they fight their husband. When they feel punch. Hey, if you marry any of this one, your name now sorry. Better see, take it easy in that house. Because they feel change up for you. That woman where they see say they tie wrapper, they look gentle, they do oh honey. If she set punch for you, you go they look for your wife. You go say, but honey, I saw you here just now. Now she make una they very my people are beg on a serious note, serious note. Forget how they laugh. Our mothers they try. You understand? No, make we just call the spade. They try. In as much as see, because women anything where you go tell them they do, as long as say now for make their children succeed, they ready to do. And mothers they be the best they be the best. Forget. No, which time when I don't see where one father they pray like that. I don't say men they pray, but I beg now not to compare una to we women. Hey, not even try am. By the time we position our rapper like this, hey, start the cash. Una no go. I beg see anybody where they watch me now. You understand? Anytime when you make am for this life, remember your mama. It is very important. Forget how they laugh. It is very important. Make sure say you remember your mama because they try. See these women now. And they should say they don't did this since last night too. It is very important. No allow your mama prayer bless you. Then when he bless you, you just leave am. Because like this now, they right. You no go do well like that. You understand? It is very important. Now why I bring this matter? So I beg. I don't bring una forget joking, forget this one. But still focus on the good part of this thing. You understand? So now why I bring una this matter so that una go know wetin dey happen. So start to drop the comment for that comment section and no forget to subscribe. If not, you no go know how to pray next time. Maybe the next one go be another interesting one. You understand? And I'm not sure say you won't miss am. Stay tuned for our next story.